Hello everyone. In our previous video we have studied about the introduction of the chapter reproduction in organism. In this video we will study about asexual mode of reproduction in plants. Asexual mode of reproduction in plants is called as vegetative propagation. In vegetative propagation, the vegetative parts of the plant such as stem, roots and leaf give rise to a new plant. There are two types of vegetative propagation: natural method of vegetative propagation and artificial method of vegetative propagation. In natural method of vegetative propagation, the vegetative parts of the plant such as stem, roots and leaf gets naturally detached from the plant body to give rise to a new plant. Let us take stem as a vegetative propagator and see how it gives rise to a new plant. Taking runners as the example is cynodon. In cynodon, the plant body, the branch comes horizontal to the ground level and it consists of many nodes and internodes. When the node comes in contact with the damp soil, it gives rise to a new plant and it gives rise to adventitious roots. In case of suckers, example chrysanthemum, the plant body gives the branch which is not horizontal to the ground, instead it is above the ground, and when the node comes in contact with the damp soil, it gives rise to a new plant. In case of stolen, example strawberry, the branch of the plant is not above or horizontal to the ground, instead it is below the ground. Next type of asexual propagation is offsets. Example is Ecornia. Ecornia is otherwise called as water hyacinth or terror of Bengal. Here it has bulged bodies such as stem, leaf and roots, and all the structures are in form of leaf and roots are in clusters, and these are bulged because they contain parenchyma tissue which helps them float, and the branch is one internode long. Here, if there is one internode here, another internode here, when a node comes in contact with water, it gives rise to a new plant. It gets separated from the parent plant and it can float and live as a new individual. So this is called as terror of Bengal because this plant was brought to India for its beautiful flowers and leaf, and this plant can cover the entire water body, and it is also called as aquatic runners, and this depletes the oxygen level in the water body and it causes oxygen demand for fishes and it causes eutrophication. Hence it is called as terror of Bengal. The other type of asexual reproduction is seen in tubers, example potato. In potatoes we have many scars, and these scars are nothing as eyes, and these eyes are the nodal region from which a new plant arises. The next type of reproduction is seen in rhizomes, example ginger and turmeric. There are many scar lines, and these scar lines are nothing else than nodes, and from these nodes a new plant arises. The next type of vegetative propagule is bulb. Example is onion and garlic. Here we have disc-shaped structures. This disc shape of onion and garlic gives rise to a new plant. So we have seen stem has a vegetative propagule. In runners, suckers, stolon, offsets, in tubers, rhizomes and a bulb. Let us see how roots play a very important role to give rise to a new plant. Taking the example of sweet potato possesses irregular shaped roots, and these roots have buds, and these buds are called as the radical buds. These radical buds gives rise to a new plant. Next, taking leaf has a vegetative propagule and see how it gives rise to a new plant. Taking the example of bryophyllum, this bryophyllum have thicky and fleshy leaf. Like other plant, they also undergo photosynthesis, and these have notches in the margins. These buds are called as the foliar buds. From these foliar buds, a new plant arises. So in this video, we have studied the natural method of vegetative propagation with the help of stem, roots and leaf. In next video, we will see the artificial method of vegetative propagation. Until then, happy learning from H2 all.